In today's video, the climate of Southeast Asia will be looked at and how it affects agriculture. Southeast Asia's agricultural sector is highly dependent on climate patterns, making it one of the most vulnerable regions to climate change. The region produces 90% of the world's rice supply, with rice being a staple food for billions. However, as the climate shifts, agriculture in Southeast Asia is facing growing challenges. According to a 2022 study published in Climate, the agricultural economy of Southeast Asia is particularly sensitive to changes in temperature and precipitation, which directly affect food security and crop production. Monsoon rains are essential for agriculture in the region, but they are becoming increasingly unpredictable. Research from the Journal of Climate 2016 notes that the onset of the wet season is delayed and rainfall patterns are becoming erratic. A delay of just 30 days in the start of the wet season can reduce rice yields by over 10%, putting immense pressure on food supplies in Southeast Asia, where rice is the dominant crop. Rising nighttime temperatures are another major concern. Higher nighttime temperatures increase respiration rates in crops, which leads to lower energy reserves for growth. Studies have shown that this can result in up to a 10% reduction in rice yields. With higher temperatures becoming the norm, the productivity of critical crops like rice is declining, threatening both local and global food security. Climate change is also affecting water availability. Droughts, exacerbated by erratic rainfall, have become more frequent in parts of Southeast Asia. Water shortages threaten not just crops, but the livelihoods of millions of farmers who rely on steady rainfall. Irrigation systems, while helpful, are not enough to fully mitigate the impacts of changing rainfall patterns. As the climate continues to change, agriculture in Southeast Asia must adapt. Farmers are beginning to adopt more resilient practices, such as diversifying crops and implementing agroforestry systems that protect the soil and retain water. Sustainable approaches to farming are critical to securing the future of food production in the region.